Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create videos from photos in Google Vids. It is really simple. Go to docs.google.com/videos and this will open up Google Vids. Start a new video right here. Choose if you want landscape, portrait or square. So let's say I want portrait video. Just click on blank vid and now click right here on video and select animate an image. Here add an image, so click right here and search for your image, or just go like this with your folder and drag and drop your image right here. Now as you can see, if my image is right here, I have to describe what I want to happen. So give this show me this farmer working and click on generate. Once it is generated, you can see it right here and preview it and insert it to your sequence just by clicking on this insert button. So click on that and now let's see how it looks. As you can see, it is really simple. So you can now trim it and make it however you like so that the video fits your needs. So I will crop this video, right click and crop video. Now just crop it however I like. So let's say like this and then like this. That's about it. And make sure that it is cropped. And yeah, you can expand it as well like this to fit your vertical video. It is this simple. As you can see, I can crop it once more. So let's say like this and like this to fit the video size. Yeah, something like this would be nice. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.